Up next is this lovely late series 280SL, a 1971 model built in December. Dark olive with contrasting beige or parchment interior. She's had a lot of rebuilding done by Mercedes' own Classic Center in California. All the records are available. Moving inside, we see a correct factory ivory steering wheel, accessory cocoa mats, period correct, Kangol brand seat belts, Becker Europa radio, controls moving nicely. See the radio comes on. She has a manual antenna. Horn, wipers, day-night mirror. Clock is working. I can hear it tick every minute. Lighted glove box. Just a real nice package. Moving under the hood, note that the Mercedes practice for this era was to have body color engine bays under the hood, and down in the engine are the same color as the outside, unlike the earlier 190s, which were black in the engine bay. You've got your data card, not data card, you've got your body tag here. Correct pattern on the firewall pad. This is a single overhead cam 6-cylinder engine with fuel injection. This is your fuel injection pump, the center of your screen. Incidentally, this engine and transmission and fuel injection pump were recently rebuilt through the Classic Center in Irvine at the time. It's since moved. Just nice and tidy. Moving on to the trunk. Mercedes' practice on the pagodas was for satin black in the inside of the trunk and the bottom side of the deck lid, unlike under the hood at the front, which was body color as stated. Demonstrating the trunk light on and off. We've got some accessories, a lock for the steering wheel, the hang tag for the spare wheel, car cover, cover for the hardtop when it's in storage, warning triangle, fire extinguisher, and the spare tire has its spare tire cover, and in the little pocket is the owner's manual, books, pouch, and the tool roll. And outside we can see she's currently registered in California, and we have a chrome factory locking gas cap, which was standard equipment, and the chrome tips on the exhaust system. And that wraps up our trunk.